Today's rapid review is on the Bauer 6-inch bench grinder with LED lights. Picked one of these up at Harbor Freight while it's on sale. This is how it looks pretty much out of the box. You have to apply a few things. The tool rests or a couple bolts mount that up and it screws on. Then the brackets for the shield and LEDs. You remove the screws that come with it. Attach the plate. Surprised how close that plate was to the wheel, but it works. Take the wing nut off the screw for the shield and stick it through the bracket, and then put the screw back on. Has quite a bit of adjustability for both the light and the shield, so seems to work pretty good. Very well lit on the wheel. So, all right, we got this on the grinding cart. Gonna power it up. Seems pretty quiet, smooth. Oh, forgot the cover on this one. Compare that to my old Ohio Forge. It's probably at least 20 years old. For sure, the work platforms are much more adjustable on this little guy. The Bauer is limited somewhat by the way this follows the shape of that bracket, so you can't really change that much. So that's kind of not a feature. So I'm planning to set up a drill bit grinding station on one of these wheels and start putting it into use, and I'll report back if I find anything out of the ordinary. But thanks for watching.